Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel. Today, the switch function. Think of it as a cleaner alternative to nested ifs when you need to map one value to many possible outputs. Two real examples coming up. First up, the classic switch pattern. We've got generation codes in column D as Roman numerals, 1, 2, 3, and we want to convert them into readable labels. Type equals switch, open paren, $D, $2, that's the expression we're checking. Comma, then the value result pairs. Quote 1 quote, comma quote, generation 1 quote, comma, quote 2 quote, comma quote, generation 2 quote, comma, quote 3 quote, comma quote, generation 3 quote. Then the optional default at the end, quote unknown quote, close paren, hit enter. For Charizard with Gen 1, we get generation 1, way cleaner than 3 nested ifs. Now the clever trick. Switch normally needs an exact match, but if we pass true as the expression, we can use it with conditions. Type equals switch, open paren, true, comma. Then for value 1, $E, $2 greater than or equal to 600, comma, quote S tier quote. Then $E, $2 greater than or equal to 500, quote a tier quote. Then $E, $2 greater than or equal to 400, quote B tier quote. Default, quote other quote. Close paren, hit enter. Charizard's total of 534 isn't 600 or more, but it is 500 or more, so we get a tier. Tier logic in one tidy formula. So that's switch, one function that compares an expression to a list of values and returns the matching result, with up to 126 pairs and an optional default. Pair it with true to handle conditions instead of just exact matches. That's how you make Excel. And if you want to take your switch formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.